In a paper published in the journal Nature, Gray rebuts recent claims of planets discovered out there in the stars.
The planets simply cannot explain the new observations at all, period.
Gray disputes last year's discoveries by astrophysicists from Cornell University and the University of California of planets in a distant solar system. The original theory works this way. Scientists look for a slight wobble in the light patterns of a distant star. They deduced that wobble is caused by the tiny tug of a planet orbiting around the star every 4 days. But Gray says it's not a wobble at all.
The changes are actually coming from the star itself and not from the planet tugging the central star around.
Gray says the star pulses light as it expands and contracts and rotates, perhaps showing a side that is brighter or dimmer.
Like a sunspot or a storm, like the red spot on Jupiter kind of thing, or if you've got a bright spot or a dark spot.
It's all the more important because the star being studied, called 51 Pegasi, is a lot like our sun. And so any planet orbiting it could be a lot like our Earth. The debate is on. Jeff Marcy, one of the original scientists who says there's a planet out there, disputes Gray's pulsation theory. He says stars like our sun don't pulse like Gray says they do.
By all measures, this star is almost identical to our sun. And the remarkable thing is, our sun, of course, is not oscillating with a 4-day oscillation period at all, nor do any other solar-like stars.
So why not just put a telescope in space and look? Well, because the planet is 1 billion times fainter than the star, outshone by the glare of the star.
It would be like standing 10 miles from a nuclear explosion and trying to pick out the firefly that was 10 feet from the bomb blast. You can't see it. It's lost in the glare of light.
Will we know? Eventually. And both sides predict the other will eventually concede. Greg Lefebvre, CNN, San Francisco.
Till then, I guess we'll have to stay tuned. That's World News for now. I'm Lyndon Souls. From all of us here, thanks very much for being with us. Insight is next.